Hello everybody, this is Tony at Mango Manor, and I'm going to give you the 5 steps to a very successful graft. And step number 1. Okay everybody, the first step is picking the right scion, making sure that that scion is nice and healthy, as you can see right here, nice and green and active, very important. And then everybody, you want the cut. The next step is the cut. Now I'm doing a wedge, so both sides, you see this? And look how nice and thin, razor thin that is, straight. That's a must. The next step is lining up the cambium, holding it nice and tight as you wrap it so it doesn't loosen up and unalign. All right, everybody, step 4. This is moisture control, making sure there's no moisture can get into your graft. And as you can see right there, I took it an inch above where it ended, and then the split ended there, and I went an inch below. So that's very, very important. That locks out the water, and your graft has a very high success rate. And the final step is putting on the 8-inch ties. And the reason you're putting those ties on nice and snug is to keep that union set, so if any wind or anything hits it, it doesn't loosen at all, because you want that to be nice and tight for 30 days, and then you take them off. Okay, everybody, if you follow those 5 steps that I just showed you, you can become a master grafter just like me, because that's all it is doing those 5 steps to perfection gives you a very, very high success rate. This was Tony at the Manor of All Mangoes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and tell your friends.